everyone, welcome back. Today I have an unboxing to share with you that I'm really excited about. I have not done this type of unboxing in a really long time. So yeah, I'm just really excited about it. I'm going to get right into it and then I'll kind of explain my thought process behind it. I will start off by saying that this was heavily influenced by Melinda from luxpurselove. So I'm sure most of you watch her channel. I will link it down below just in case you don't. She has an amazing channel and an amazing jewelry collection as well as handbag collection. And yeah, so she definitely is to blame for this, for these purchases. Yeah, so as you can see, it is a Dior unboxing, and this is the really pretty bag with the little star charm on it. This is a true unboxing. We just got home. I just picked this up today and I'm super excited. Okay, that's the receipt. I will share the prices after I unbox the tissue. Okay, so there are two. Okay, I think that the sales associate left her pen in the bag. I'm just gonna move that away from there. Okay, so there are two items. Let me see which one. I guess it doesn't really matter which one I open first. So as you can tell, it is a fine jewelry item from Dior. And I'll show you both of the boxes together. Really pretty boxes. I think we'll open this one first. Oh, it's so pretty. I don't even want to open it. So I haven't bought myself a piece of jewelry in almost 2 years. So I felt like this year I wanted to add to my collection. Anyway, I'll explain more once I show you what it is. So it's just a gray box, and that for the outer box, and then the inner box is also gray. To reveal, here it is. I don't even know the official name of this, but this is the necklace that is reversible. So on the front it has the moon with the stars. So the moon is mother of pearl and the stars are little diamonds, and then the black part is black onyx. And then the other side, you can wear it both ways. The other side is the sun with a little diamond. It's so pretty, and it's yellow gold. It is an adjustable chain. So I'll just show you there. So there are a couple of sizing options, and then the clasp, whoops, the clasp is really pretty. If you can see that, it says Dior on it. Yeah, this, I saw Melinda from luxpurselove unbox this and I absolutely fell in love with it, and I had already decided that my next purchase this year would be a jewelry piece, and when I saw this I was like, yes, that has to be it. It is just so beautiful, and it's like having two necklaces in one because you've got two options, two ways to wear it. I just love that. So yeah, it's really like getting two necklaces in one with two totally different looks. So that is the first item. So that's the one that I went in to look for. And then I saw this one as well. So I will show you this one. So again, it's the gray outer box, and then the gray inner box. To reveal, this is the matching ring, and again, so I'll just take it off to show you. So again, the ring is reversible, which I think is just so cool. So it's got the side, just like the pendant, it's got the moon and stars on one side and then the sun on the other side. So it gives you two completely different looks. So I'll just show you what it looks like on. I just think it's so pretty. And I can wear it on this finger or this finger. So I'm not sure which one I'll wear it on more, but I think it looks nice on both. Oh, it's just so pretty. I'll just show you how it looks on the sun side. The reflection makes it hard to see, but yeah, it's just, oh, it's gorgeous. And the little motif here is slightly bigger. I'll just show you side by side. It's, I think, only 1 millimeter bigger than the pendant. So you can see they're almost the same size. I think it's about 1 millimeter difference. Yeah, so yeah, I don't know if you follow me on Instagram, but I've been doing a bit of a purge with bags that I haven't been using. I love all of my bags. However, I have felt like I've just felt like I don't use all of them. And so I felt like I should kind of downsize my collection. I've been kind of feeling overwhelmed by the size of my collection. I felt like I needed it to be a little bit smaller just so that I used everything more. And so I've started doing that, and you may have seen me posting some items on Instagram for sale. I still have a few bags for sale if you want to check that out. But yeah, I've decided that I mean, I'm still probably going to buy a couple of bags this year, but I also want to start, you know, adding to my jewelry collection again. I took kind of a couple of years off from buying jewelry, and yeah, I mean, I love jewelry too, and these pieces just spoke to me. So thank you again, luxpurselove, for inspiring me to take a look at these. I absolutely love them. And yeah, so I'm really happy with this because I'm going to be able to get so much wear out of them. And yeah, I think it was a good investment rather than just buying another bag, because I just have so many bags right now and I'm still trying to downsize a bit. So anyway, that is my unboxing. I will share prices just in case, because I was really curious. I had no idea what the pricing was like for Dior fine jewelry. So let me just take a look here. Okay, so the necklace was 3,140 Canadian, and the ring was 4,800 Canadian. So yeah, so I was actually pleasantly surprised at the prices. I don't know, I think I expected them to be more. There were some other pieces I saw that were really nice too, but I thought these were two good pieces to have as kind of a set, and I'm really excited to wear them. So yeah, I'll just give you one last look at the two pieces, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Let me know what you think. And I think that does it for this video. I do plan to do a review of my on-the-go tote that I've been loving, so I've had some requests for that. I am planning to film that video next, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, if you like this type of video, please consider subscribing and also following me on Instagram. My handle there is FashionJunkie33. Thanks so much and have a great day.